If you feel lost, stuck, or unhappy with your life in 2026, this video is for you. The truth is, your life won't change by luck. It changes when you decide to take control. Let's fix your life step by step. One, take full responsibility. Stop blaming your past, your situation, or other people. Your life is your responsibility. The moment you accept this, everything starts to change. 2. Cut out distractions. Your biggest enemy in 2026 is distraction. Too much social media, too much scrolling, too much wasted time. If you want to fix your life, you must control your attention. 3. Fix your daily routine. Your routine shapes your future. Start your day with purpose. Wake up earlier, plan your day, and focus on what truly matters. 4. Build strong habits. Your habits are building your life every single day. Start small. Exercise, read, learn something new. Consistency is more important than perfection. 5. Take care of your body and mind. You can't build a great life with a weak body and a tired mind. Eat better, move your body, and get enough rest. Your energy is everything. 6. Learn high-value skills. In 2026, skills pay more than degrees. Learn skills like communication, online work, or problem solving. Skills can change your income and your life. 7. Manage your money. Smartly stop wasting money on things that don't matter. Save a small portion of your income. Start building financial discipline today. 8. Change your environment. Your environment influences your mindset. Stay away from negativity and toxic people. Be around people who inspire you to grow. 9. Set clear goals. If you don't have direction, you'll stay stuck. Set clear, simple goals for your life. Know what you want and work for it daily. 10. Stay consistent. No matter what, this is where most people fail. They start strong, then quit. But success comes to those who keep going even when it's hard. Remember, fixing your life doesn't happen overnight. But every small step you take today builds a better tomorrow. 2026 can be your turning point, but only if you decide to change. Start now. Don't wait. Follow for more smart life ideas.